Okay guys, so good evening. I'm back in the kitchen this evening with coriander soup with red kidney bean. Okay, we're gonna be using broccoli and cauliflower, all right, to make the soup. I did it before, and this is another version of it with spring onion and white onion and fresh garlic. It's going to be an amazing one. So please stay on the live. Don't go anywhere. Watch the full episode and see how we normally make this beautiful, healthy soup. Winter is ahead of us, and that's why I'm encouraging you guys to warm up yourself and getting ready for winter season. All right. So just jump into this. Get some olive oil in the pot. Okay. Roughly about a 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You don't need too much. So 2 teaspoons is very good in the pot. All right. We're going to get some spring onion, which is, we're always using. All right. That's the spring onion. We're using a roughly about 2 to 3 medium size spring onion. Then I'm gonna get white onion. Yeah. Lovely. All right, that's the white onion right there. So that's looking amazing. All right, guys. So we're just waiting for the pot to get a little bit warmer. Some fresh garlic. So this is the broccoli and the cauliflower. We're gonna pour it back into it with the water, liquid, everything, just to show you what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna season the water. Also, we're going to put some coriander and parsley into it, because we're gonna blend up everything. All right. Yeah. So you guys will see exactly what I've been doing. So we're gonna blend everything together. It's going to be broccoli and coriander soup. I have some parsley into it also. All right. Yeah. What do you think? How that look to you guys? Would you do something like this at home? Let me know in the comments section. We're gonna put a little bit of some dry herbs. So we got mixed herb. We're gonna put some of these inside of it. Alright. This is a little bit of Cajun season. Cajun season got a lot of things we like about it, because yeah, we're gonna put some of this inside of it also. Excellent. We got paprika. We're gonna put some paprika inside of it. Beautiful. We have some basil. We're gonna put a little bit of dry basil inside of it. Excellent. A little bit more Cajun season. Yeah. All right. We have a little bit of dry thyme. Yeah, put some dry thyme inside of it. look at that. That looks amazing and fantastic. Okay, and let's mix that in together. All right. Yeah. So you guys can see what I've been doing. So this is just a simple little soup. You guys can do the same thing at home. Now we're gonna put some veg stock inside of it. Yeah, veg stock is amazing inside of it. All right. Then a little bit of a black pepper. Yeah. So that looks amazing. Just to let you guys can see what I'm doing, and when I do it, it's so straightforward. But you need to watch to the end to see the finish product. Yeah. Excellent. So now we're going to blend it. All right. Yeah. Run the blender. All right. Look at this. That's one section of the soup. Because I know it will be bubbling up. You don't want that. So I'm gonna blend up the rest. This is the second batch. Wow. Wow. I got one more set. Spin that around. All right. Yeah. So you guys can see exactly what I've been doing. Okay. We're not hiding anything from you. We're keeping it real. Okay. All right. We're gonna blend the next batch from the soup. Excellent. So one more batch of the soup. That looks amazing and fantastic. All right. Okay. Wow. Now I'm excited. Yeah. I'm so excited about this soup. Now, look at that, guys. All right. Look at this. Now, tell me, what do you think about this soup? Now, and I still have a little bit of remain right here. I'm gonna pour this inside of it. That is like some bitses. Store that inside of it like this. Guys, this is what I drink. Okay, I drink a lot of soup. Now, put a little bit more heat. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in some red kidney bean. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. All right? Yeah, so that looking good. Then I want to just mix this around inside of the soup. All right, look at that. Okay. I use the blender to blend it, and you guys can do the same. We're gonna taste it. Oh my God. That tastes so delicious. It's unbelievable. It's like, and I know about this soup. It is so beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Coriander with broccoli and cauliflower, and I have a little bit of parsley in it. It is so delicious. This is it. You need to see how I finish this product right here. So I'm gonna serve it up now because it's finished, guys. It's done. There's no need for me to go any further. And turn off the cooker, switch it off, plug out my cooker. Let's take off the soup and share it up. And the book, From Poverty to Purpose, it's available for you guys to grab yourself a copy of the brand new book right here. It's available on Amazon. There's a 50% off. Grab yourself one. A good looks, delicious. Yeah. Now, yeah. So we have the good food, which we are talking about, avocado. All right, this is very important. When I make my soup, I use avocado. You don't have to. If you want, you can use chicken or beef or whatever you like. You can make it at home. All right, it's up to you. Okay, yeah, it's up to you. Make what you like to make. All right, then we'll just finish it off with a little bit of coriander and parsley. Oh, Chef Ricardo, this is not normal. Is this real or this is fake? No, it is real. I'm in the kitchen. Little bit of paprika on top of it. Just give it a little bit of a color. And a little bit of my peri-peri season. I love this one because I have some pepper inside of it. Spice it up a little bit, not too much. That's it, you can't have it. Beautiful. Now take a good look at that. Would you drink something like this at home? Let me know in the comments section. All right, me personally, I love soup. I'm always having soup, and yeah, that's why I'm sharing with you guys this evening. Now if it's something you guys like, please leave your comments in the description. We're gonna be making a soup next week again and the following week, and keep you guys updated right straight through the winter season with different soup. We make broccoli soup the other day, we make cauliflower soup the other day, we make which one again we make broccoli soup. So we give you guys a lot of ideas where you guys can also make at home. Yeah, we got tomato soup coming up soon. We're gonna be making some tomato soup also. A good vibes. Now if you like these things, please leave your comments in the description and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and I catch you with part 2. Bye bye for now, man. From Chef Ricardo Cooking. A good vibes.